What's good, guys? I am back with another Cuts review. I figured there was still a couple items that I have not reviewed from Cuts, so today we'll be taking a look at the long sleeve hooded curve hem. But before we get into that, I do want to say that I will be doing a giveaway. This will be for the Black Forest hoodie. So basically, long story short, I ordered a hoodie. When it came in, one of the strings was frayed a little bit, so I sent support an email letting them know, and I actually asked for just a replacement string, and they ended up sending me like a brand new hoodie. So I was really surprised, and what I ended up doing is just fixing my string with a lighter, so you can't really even tell anymore unless like you go looking for that spot. But I figured I would give someone who really wanted to try Cuts hoodie out, who didn't want to spend $118, so that's why I'm doing it. But good luck to everyone. In order to enter this giveaway, you will need to follow me on Instagram, you need to be subscribed to this channel, and then obviously like the video and leave a comment. Now, if your YouTube channel name isn't the same as your Instagram name, then let me know in the comment, because in my last giveaway, we had someone who didn't have the same name and I thought someone else won. Shout out to Jaden, you know who you are. But I just wanted to show you guys the hoodie that you'll be getting if you win. This is the Black Forest colorway, and in my opinion, I feel like it's super underrated. I feel like not a lot of people liked it or something, I don't know, but it was always available every time I checked. Like any shirt or hoodie, they had like a bunch of stock left. So, I don't know, I really like this color. I think it's sick. I'll go ahead and try it on so you guys can see it. Alright, so this is my second hoodie from them. And I noticed with my first one, every time I would wash it, the string would like either go and get lost in the hood or just completely get lost in the laundry, like completely come out. So what I ended up doing is tying these little knots to block it, and that's been pretty successful so far. But I am a big fan of their hoodies. If you have not seen my hoodie video, I just do a video strictly on this hoodie. It's the sage colorway. I would say go watch that. This is what you guys will be getting if you win. This is a size medium. I'm sorry. The person that wins this will have to be size medium. I am 165, 6 feet tall. I'm also going to be doing two other winners in this video. So the other two winners are going to get any t-shirt that they want, any size that they want. I do have, I think like over $400 in Cuts rewards money, because I put something in the link where if it's your first Cuts purchase and you spend over $100, you get $25 off that. And when someone does that, I get like rewards points, I think like 25 bucks. So I've spent a good amount of them and I still have 400, so I figure why not share the wealth with you guys. So good luck, and you don't have to be a medium. Remember, you could be any size. So if you win and you're size medium, you're lucky you can get the hoodie, but if you're not, get a shirt for free, you know? I did want to show you guys on this color, like what it looks like up against a black shirt, because I know some people think it's like legitimately black, but it's not. Alright guys, so good luck with that, but let's move on to the actual review. This is the long sleeve hooded curve hem in black. Alright, so it feels exactly like their shirt. This is their granite, curve hem Pica Pro material. Pretty thin, but really soft. These are 88 bucks. All right, so I'll take this one off so we can try it on. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this one on. Okay. So it fits really good. I'm gonna go ahead and lower the camera. Got that curve hem. Nice and snug around the arms. Looks great with like gray jeans. So I think I mentioned that this is $88, which is extremely steep. I feel like, yes, it's very nice. I really like it. Super comfortable, fits amazing, but I think it should be around like 50. I think that would be fair. I do have another video that has long sleeve hooded t-shirts just like this, same fit and everything, maybe not as good of quality, but for a fraction of the price. These are like 10 to 12 bucks, around that range. I'll link that video here. But let's take a look at the next color that we have. This is Fjord. And I feel like this was like a sleeper color for me. I was like, not that excited about it. But when I got it, I liked it so much more than I thought I would. Pretty awesome. So we'll go ahead and try this one on. Okay. Oh. See the logo. Got a little visitor, guys. Say hi, Peanut. Say hi. Oh, we gotta fix her bow. She can't see. What do you guys think about this color, though? Like, I definitely like it a lot more than I thought I did online. So I wanted to put my Granite t-shirt back on because I was feeling my outfit today and I didn't get to show you guys. So these right here are my Converse. They literally match like perfectly with this shirt. And then you got the Express jeans. I got a lot of questions about like, what are some affordable great jeans? And I think Express, their Hyperflex jeans are so great. Like, they're always having sales. So you can get them for like 40 something dollars, and they're like thick on the waistband. They're super duper stretchy and comfortable. Like, oh, that was not a good example. But they're like super stretchy, if you guys could see that. Hopefully it's still on the lens. But anyway, let's get to the scores. Okay, so since we have two products, but they are virtually the same, just different colors, we are only giving one rating. For fit, this is getting a 3.7 out of 4. I think it fits me really, really well, so that's why it's getting a good score. Number 2 is comfort, so that will be getting a 2.6. Sorry, 2.6 out of 3. I think it's pretty comfortable. It's not the softest thing I've ever felt in my life. You know, if you guys have felt the Pica Pro material, it is really nice, but it's like, it's not the softest thing. It does feel really high quality though. Moving on to style, this is getting a 2.8 out of 3. I think they look really nice. I wish they did have more color selections though. The curve hem looks really, really good. That link I gave you guys earlier that had like the $10 to $12 long sleeve hooded t-shirts, that just has like the typical flat t-shirt line. And I think it just looks a lot better with the curve hem. So that gives the long sleeve hooded t-shirt a 9.1 out of 10. All right guys, that about wraps this video up. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck to everyone that will be entering the giveaway. This is the hoodie. I literally haven't even opened it, so you'll be getting a fresh, clean hoodie if you win this. Again, to enter, you'll need to follow me on Instagram. Here's my handle. Make sure you like this video, you are subscribed to my channel, and then you leave a comment. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one.